Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can essentially remove background on CapCut browser and replace it with another background. I'm just going to select this and add it to track. Then I'm just going to select cutout and I'm going to select cutout here. And as you can see, there is a background button, and here you can choose a color background like so, or you can choose a format one, which is which are styles, and just select the one you want. It does take a little bit longer to remove the background if you do it on your browser, but I already did it before, so you didn't have to wait that long. But that's basically how you can do it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!